Hi everyone, welcome back. On today's lecture series, we are going to see about the plunger type and balanced beam type electromagnetic relay. So this is the schematic diagram of plunger type relay. So they have the construction and operation, everything is a very simple manner. So this is called this is a fixed contact. These are the fixed contact, and this is nothing but a solenoid across the moving contact. Okay, so this is a movable one. Okay la. So here it will be a fixed contact is there, and here the moving contact is connected here, and this is nothing but and spring operation. Okay, so these are the called as plunger. This is called an plunger type. The center one, it indicate the plunger. So under the normal operating condition, the current will not exceed the pickup current, so nothing will happen to the circuit. Once due to the internal fault, or it may be an external fault, if the fault is occurred in a power system, once it exceeds the pickup value, so the current will flow through the plunger, so that the solenoid gets magnetized. So because the solenoid is magnetized and it acts as an electromagnet, so because of this electromagnet, it pulls the plunger inside. It pulls the plunger inside the solenoid. So during this attraction and during this pulling of a plunger, so the moving contact, it will be touches with the fixed contact, so that it trips the circuit breaker. We can able to isolate the faulty section, and this is called an plunger type relay. So it is based on the movement of plunger, and it will be controlled with the help of spring. And this is the balanced type relay, and this is the balanced beam type relay. So here this is a fixed element. Okay la. So here there is a balanced beam is there. So in between there is a nozzle, there is a pilot will be there. Okay, so during this operation, here we are supplying the current to the field winding. Here also we are supplying the current to the field winding. So if the one side is nothing but operating current, one is nothing but this is an operating current, and this is the current which is a retaining current. If the both operating current and the retaining current both are equal, the flux which is produced from the both operating current and flux current are getting equal. So if the flux is equal, both are in same state of electromagnet. So the armature, nothing will move. The armature will not move either none of the direction. So it will not be attracted by any of the direction. So it will be under balanced condition, in equilibrium condition. Once if the operating current is exceed the pickup value, so that it produces more amount of flux, so that it acts as an electromagnet when the electromagnetic force is higher compared to the retaining. So here the armature gets attracted. Once the armature gets attracted, okay, so the contact gets movable. Okay now, once the contact gets movable, so because of the movement of this contact, the two contact gets touchable, gets closing, so that it trips the circuit breaker, so that we can able to isolate the faulty section in the power system. So the balanced beam type relay, okay la, so it can be operated, it can be provided with two different types of current. One is operating current, another one is restraining current. The restraining current is always same at any time. Okay la, so it doesn't change with respect to the time, with respect to the fault, at any condition. The restraining current is always same, and the operating current is also same, so nothing will happen to the system. Once the operating current it exceeds the restraining current, so that only the relay comes to operate in order to protect the power system, So here an assessment. So here what is the main function of a relay? So one is to amplify the current in a circuit, and second one to control the flow of current in a circuit, and third one is to store energy in a circuit, and fourth one none of these. So put your answer in the comment section. So what is the main function of a relay? And the second one, which of the following is not a primary function of a productive relay? My question is, which of the following is not in primary function of a productive relay? So one, the detecting abnormal system condition, and the second one, isolating the faulted equipment, and third one, initiating corrective actions, and fourth one, providing backup power. So put your answer in the comment section. Okay, and these are the few textbook and reference books for electromagnetic relay. Thank you.